Being a student, are you feeling high level of stress, anxiety and depression, and weak memory, grasping capacity and recording power due to the pressure of approaching exams, use syllabus to cover, revise and learn? Being a working personnel, are you suffering from loss of enthusiasm towards work and efficiency, loss of mental calmness and a proper sound sleep because of excessive work pressure, lots of everyday politics at workplace and a strict boss to work with? Being a person above 55 years of age suffering from problems like joint pain, lowering eyesight, and reducing memory, lots of traumas and bad experiences in the past that gave you a strong negative psychic impression which is being rendered an unwanted change in behavior towards family and society and want to get rid of it. Are you having phobias like fear from water, height, etc., and psychological limitations like the feeling of inability to do certain works? For example, waking up in morning, giving up smoking, etc., and want to get rid of it. Here is the solution. Feel the change you wanted to see in your life by the program. Change your life the way you want. Organized by Mind Power Research and Training Institute, MPRTI. Presided over by Mr. Rajneesh Kumar Mishra, Director of MPRTI. Now the billion-dollar question is, why you need to attend this program? We all know that our body is a system of numerous organs responsible for various functions. Which are made up of tissues, and tissues are a group of cells of a particular type. All the cells are made up of atoms of different elements which constitute electron, proton, and neutron. They are ultimately made up of energy. So in short, we can say that we are made up of energy on a grosser level. Every day and every moment, our mind encounters a number of thoughts which may be either positive or negative. Every single thought originating in our mind simultaneously generates energy depending upon the type of thought. If the thought is positive, the energy generated will be positive, and if the thought is negative, so would be the energy. It can be felt in our everyday life. If we listen to motivational speeches or read encouraging thoughts, suddenly we start feeling energetic and motivated. And at the same time, if we listen a sad song or read a tragic novel, we soon automatically start feeling numb and not much motivated. The energy generated through different thoughts affects our various organs and its memory gets stored in the intracellular memory of different organs and culminates into diseases. People who are unable to express their feelings and emotions are prone to diseases of thyroid and joints. Medical science is still unable to do away with those unwanted intracellular memories, and hence, most of the times, it's only the symptoms which gets cured. So let's see how we deal with it. Here we go. In our 6 days program, a blend of most leading edge healing techniques like theta healing, quantum healing, etc. is used to remove those negative energies and unwanted intracellular memories which a person has been accumulating ever since he acquired the capability to observe. Once these unwanted junk has been done away with, lots of the symptoms like anxiety, depression, sleeplessness, phobias, psychological limitations, short-temperedness, or numbness, etc. starts automatically disappearing during the session itself. Serious complications since do not get proceeded to the new cells being formed or about to be formed, hence they are completely healthy, and the older ones start improving as the root cause of the problem eliminated once for all. This entire process of target-specific formatting of the intracellular memories is carried along with one more process, that is, of linking of the neurons of the brain in the energy form and activation of the junk faculties of the brain. Since the cells of brain and other organs have been cleaned of the unwanted memories, the other two processes help in boosting the memory and efficiency of the brain. Hence, the rejuvenated person, whether a student or a working professional, gains a surge in the performance in studies or in work at the office, a calm and cool mind, and a proper sleep without pills. Same happens with the elders in the society, as they are relieved of their traumas and other tough memories which they had during the days of their struggle for a stable career. They too experience a rejuvenated body, mind, and attitude towards life and society. If our sessions are being attended at least once in 3 or 4 months, whatever junk a person accumulates is released time to time and the person starts becoming almost immune to stress, anxiety, insomnia, depression, sleep disorder and frequent illness. So now the choice is yours to choose either a rejuvenated life or the same just being carried life, using lots of pills and pain. Thanks for watching.